Eric at the TNA truck stop in Branford, Connecticut. When I'm not out flying my drone, I'm watching idiotic ramblings on Life is Good. Come on. Hey, Tim.
Hello, guys. Haven't made a video in about 3 or 4 days. Not really much to video. You know, it's raining every day. Office work is boring. The troll say I post videos just to post videos. Like my coffee room. It's morning, so I'm having morning coffee at home and try not to slurp it. So, latest update from the Gorley Trucking office is that things are fantastic, man. We put a team on the first of the week, and they're just out there killing it, doing a fantastic job. Rates are coming up. Van rates are coming up. Could be because produce is starting to run out of Florida, a little bit heavier out of California, so maybe some of the reefers have left the van markets and went back to their own market. But van rates are coming back. Brokers are trying to keep the van rates low, so be hardcore with your rate negotiating skills and get the rate you want, or move on to the next call. That's how we do that. The guys that are experienced in load board shenanigans are doing fantastic. The ones that are not experienced with load board shenanigans are suffering. So you got to be aggressive with your calls. You can't just look at the board, just move on. You got to call. Be aggressive. Don't be afraid to call. Don't be scared to make an offer. If they got the load posted for $1,000, start at $20,000 and work your way down. Break the ice a little bit. But anyway, so no, the update is not really much of an update. You know, I still have a brand new trailer sitting. Because the next guy I got coming on has his own trailer. So I need to hire one guy. I thought I had a guy coming. Haven't filled the application out yet. So I'm moving on, dude. I need somebody to pull that van because it's just sitting there not making any money. I still have one rental that I could turn in and give that new one to the trailer, but I really want to put a driver on that trailer. So I need to find the right guy that has his own truck and wants to pull a trailer. And we can even do a lease purchase on that trailer. So it'll be an easy deal to do. You guys come on there, put you at 80%. We'll do a lease purchase on the trailer for exactly what we have in the trailer. Not making money off of it, just what is financed on it now. So anyway, no, we're doing great. So that's about all the update I've got. There's nothing going on here. We're working smooth as can be. Some days I get a little stressed out. I think I have ADD when it comes to the office. But working great here. QuickBooks has given me a fit, but I think I realized last night while watching TV that maybe my QuickBooks, I need to take all the personal stuff out of it and only run the business. Because like last month it showed a negative of $43,000. Because I bought a car, which should not affect the business. I think everything's grouped into one. So I got to subtract the, I'm going to delete the personal side of QuickBooks today. I hope that fixes my profit and loss and tracking on QuickBooks on the business side. Because everything's labeled correctly. So I just need to take the house payment out and do all that through personal. That's all through personal taxes anyway. It doesn't do with business. So there's that. So it's a learning curve. Here we are in March and we're still learning. We're growing, we're learning, we're getting more efficient. So things are looking up. Things are looking up. So small turnover, you know, you get some guys that come and think they can do it and they can't do it. They go back to being company. But we still got a full crew. Still looking for one to pull the company van or do a lease purchase on the van. So if you're interested, go to GorleyTrucking.com and check out the requirements and shoot me an email and we'll get to rolling. Looking for qualified, experienced people. GorleyTrucking.com. But other than that, we're good, man. Just the QuickBooks thing, and got the load boards going, and got everything up and running this morning, and just thought I'd chime in and say hello. Haven't put a video out in a while. Drag strip open Sunday for test and tune. Trying to decide if I want to go or not. It's kind of a mute point now. The kid wrecked his car. I've reached out to Rick Conte, largest Corvette dealer up here in Ohio, and see how he'll trade a 2019 Camaro for a 2019 Seabreed Orange Corvette Z06. Probably take a pretty good beating on that. What I really should have done is bought a camper, or maybe a new pickup truck. I could have took Gourley trucking on the road there, Tony. We could have done this truck. We could have done this job from the Columbia River on Interstate 84 in Oregon. That's what I'm talking about. Sat in the rest area, sat to the office for 2 weeks, and moved to the next one there for 2 weeks. But anyway, it is what it is. We now have a car that we enjoy driving to go get tacos or coffee or pizza. But anyway, you guys have a good day, and we will see you at Matt's. I'll be at Matt's Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and leaving Sunday. So I actually be there Thursday night, Friday night, Saturday night at Matt's. Definitely be at the concert, Tony Justice concert, in the Uber tent at the Papa John's parking lot. I do believe it is. They say Cardinal Stadium, which I think is Papa John's parking lot. I think it's Saturday night at 7:30 p.m. on the 30th. Tony Justice concert, Uber tent in the Papa John's parking lot. I will be there enjoying some fresh sliders. Hopefully we have sliders. And enjoying Tony Justice music. I haven't made any Tony Justice videos in a while. I'll put one up. But anyway, so there's the update on that, guys. So we appreciate you tuning in for this video. Yes, I just made a video to make the video, because some people have been saying, hey, where you at? Made a video. Well, here you go. So all you trolls, hope you enjoyed it, appreciate it, and please troll, leave me a comment, because it really helps my channel. It really helps that you watch and comment. So, and I got no mail to open, zero mail for the whole week, nothing. After the high-speed chicken feed came in, nada. So you guys hit the mailbox up, man. P.O. Box 372, McDonald, Tennessee 37353. Shoot me an email or a postcard or something, you know. Anyway, you guys have a good day. We'll see you at Matt's. You'll see me again before Matt's, but we will see you at Matt's. We are getting back to work. Y'all have a good day. We are out. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, the little bell, so you get notified of the latest randy, idiotic ramblings from the Gourley trucking office there coming, or from the hood of the Orange Hornet. I really like Orange Hornet, even though the Hornet is not a Chevrolet product, but I like it. It's not very an Orange Crush, you know. I don't know. We'll call it something. Now you guys send me a case of orange drink, Summit, or we'll call it Orange Summit or something. I don't know. We'll always have a bottle of orange soda pop and a cup holder when we go to the drag strip. Be like a sponsored video. The Orange Hornet is brought to you by Orange Crush. Because you know the car's Orange Crush. Does that look like Orange Crush drink? I don't know. I don't drink much orange drink. Interesting. Alright guys, we're out. See ya. Thanks for watching. Beep.
Cadillac, Hugos, guitars, pantyhose. God knows she's driving me crazy. I want a 911, a highway patrol. Report a girl out of missing, running out of control. Chillin' to turn her around. Lay them spike streams down. See the get gone lane, there's a mad redhead drinking double shot black. Lipstick on the edge of a Starbucks cup. Clothes and shoes in the bed of my truck. Ain't a set of tail lights, she ain't passed. Finger out the window, barefoot on the gas. She's hauling ass. Ain't nothing says ain't coming back like that. They pull me over on the shoulder, it's over. She'll be way too far down them yellow lines. In the get gone lane. Yeah. get gone lame. Shrieking double shot black lipstick on the edge of that Starbucks